factory of 404. So 404, it can be written as 2 times 202. 2 times 202 means 404. 202, it can be written as 2 times 101. 2 times 101 means 202. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2 and 101. So we can write 404 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 101. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.